Alright, welcome everyone to our day 7 in learning grade 1 kanji in Japan. So, first up, we have the kanji for 3, and that's mitsu. Make sure you stop at mitsu, because that's pronounced as 3 or 3 things in Japan. Alright, then we have third person or outsider, daisansha, right? Daisansha. And then we have triple, threefold or triplicate, which is sanju. It actually sounds like the 30 or the 30 for Japan, or which is sanju. It is sanju. That's triple fold. Alright, then we have kanji for mountain. And mountain, first up we have many or a lot, which is taksan. Then we have kanji for volcano, and that's kazan. And for mountain climbing is tozan. Sorry, it's tozan. Mountain climbing. Third, we have kanji for children. She's kodomo. Alright, and the fourth one we have for today is kanji for 4, and that's yotsu. 4 or 4 things. And we have kanji for 4 seasons, which is shiki. 4 seasons. Alright. So we go to our example for today. Example for today is たくさんな子供が欲しいだ。3人とか4人かな。Which is, in English, I want a lot of kids. Maybe 3 or 4. Alright, so there you have it. Our day 7 learning kanji in Japan 20-day challenge. It's going to be grade 1 kanji here in Japan. Thank you for watching.